A McLaren 720S belonging to the famous YouTuber, DDE, was rear-ended on the California freeway. The 720S was cruising on the freeway when it was rear-ended by a Challenger. Luckily, no one was injured in the accident except the McLaren. The 720S was hit hard from the rear and had considerable damage to the rear end. The back bumper, the passenger side rear fender, was completely destroyed in the accident. Luckily, there was no damage to the engine bay. The rear axle was broken and the rear tire seems to have been pushed outward. The accident happened due to two cars trying to enter one lane before the exit, because of which the McLaren braked. The Challenger driver did not realize this until it was too late. The police arrived at the incident and the freeway was closed until the cars were towed away.